I almost wasted my money on this traffic bundle. And honestly, most people will, but I decided to test it anyway. And what I found shocked me. Let me be honest with you. A few months ago, I was stuck. No traffic, no sales, just posting content and getting nothing. And if you're watching this, you're probably in the same place. You've tried posting videos, following gurus, maybe even bought a course, but still, no results. That's exactly why this caught my attention. Because this bundle claims it can solve the one problem every beginner has: traffic. Now, before you think this is another hype video, let me make something clear. I'm not here to convince you to buy this. I'm here to show you what actually happened when I tested it, where it works, and where it completely fails. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you the exact traffic strategy behind it so you can use it for free. So here's the truth up front. This is not a scam. But it's also not what most beginners think it is. And that misunderstanding is where people lose money. And this is where my opinion completely changed. When I first opened the bundle, I expected some secret hack. You know, push-button traffic, instant clicks, easy money. But instead, I found something very different. It's basically a collection of traffic methods, tools, done-for-you systems. Think of it like a toolbox, not a business. So I decided to actually test it. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1. Picked an affiliate offer. Step 2. Used one of their traffic methods. Step 3. Sent traffic to my link. And at first, nothing happened. No clicks, no sales. And this is where most people quit. But then I changed one thing, and this is important. Instead of just sending traffic blindly, I focused on matching the right audience to the right offer. And suddenly, clicks started coming in, engagement improved. And yes, I started seeing conversions. Not crazy money, but proof that it works. Here's the reality. The bundle didn't make me money. The strategy did. And that's the biggest thing people don't understand. Let me show you something powerful. You can do the same thing without buying this. Example. Go to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Post. Problem. Solution. CTA. Example. Struggling to get traffic? Try this. That alone can bring you free traffic. This is exactly where I went wrong in the beginning. I relied on tools instead of learning. I expected fast results. I didn't understand my audience, and that cost me time and money. This next part might save you money, gives you direction, saves research time, beginner-friendly, good starting point, can feel overwhelming, not beginner-proof, no guaranteed results, easy to misuse. And if you misuse it, you'll think it's a scam. Let's compare honestly. Free methods. Slower but more sustainable. This bundle, faster learning curve, but requires investment, plus risk. You should consider this if you're serious about learning. You're willing to test and fail. You want a shortcut to ideas. Who should not buy. Do not buy this if you want instant money. You're not ready to put effort. You're just chasing shiny objects. And this is the part nobody tells beginners. Traffic is everywhere, but attention is earned. You don't need more tools. You need better messaging, better targeting, better consistency. So here's my honest conclusion. It's useful. It's not magic. It's a shortcut, not a solution. If you understand that, you can win. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description. But don't buy it because of me. Buy it only if you understand how you're going to use it. If you want real, honest breakdowns like this, subscribe. Because I test things so you don't waste your money.